we just stepped it up a notch, and we're cleaning toys, cleaning classrooms, closing certain classrooms down so deep cleaning can take place, and more frequent rug washing and intense cleaning.
And it's a lot of sanitizing, right down to the pens that the parents are signing in and out with. You know, we have wipes and we're wiping them down between each drop off and pickup.
After each group is done leaving that area, they sanitize. One staff stays behind and cleans. So we do a really great job with cleaning and just, being aware of our surroundings.
We have weekend staff also that comes in and does some deep cleaning as well. So, and our teachers are troopers. They're constantly cleaning, constantly.
Hi, I'm Jim Hart, Director of Program Operations at the Division of Child Care Services. I want to start out by saying thank you. Thank you for providing essential child care services to the children and families of New York State during these challenging and unprecedented times. Your commitment and dedication to the families you serve is recognized and appreciated. We are grateful for all that you do, and happy Provider Appreciation Day.